Is your garage door causing you headaches? Discover the secrets to saving money and making the right choice between repair and replacement. A well-maintained garage door can last for decades, but when issues arise, homeowners face a critical decision: repair or replace. The severity and type of damage significantly impact repair costs. From broken springs to malfunctioning openers, each issue has its price. Older garage doors may have parts that are harder to find, increasing repair costs. If your door is over 15 years old, replacement might be more practical. Different materials require different repair techniques. Wood, steel, and aluminum doors each have their unique challenges. Hiring a professional for garage door repair is essential for safety and efficiency, with labor costs ranging from $75 to $150 per hour. Repair is often the best choice when the damage is minor, only a few components need replacement, or the door is relatively new. However, replacement may be necessary if the door has significant structural damage, repair costs exceed 50% of a new door, or safety concerns arise. To keep repair costs low, homeowners should lubricate moving parts, check for loose hardware, test the balance, inspect weather stripping, and schedule regular inspections. Ultimately, the decision comes down to cost, age, and condition. Consulting a professional can help you make the most cost-efficient choice for your situation.